Veterans, if you are ever caught in a natural disaster, understand that the VA has a number of programs to help you in your time of need. As always, dial 911 for emergencies. You can contact the Veteran Crisis Line at 988, then press 1, or text at 838-255. For the deaf and hard of hearing, dial 800-799-4889. Veterans, if you need immediate housing assistance after a natural disaster, call the National Call Center for Homeless Veterans at 877-424-3838 anytime. If you have relocated to a shelter or disaster recovery center, you may find VA teams available to assist with healthcare and benefits. Disaster recovery centers. Learn more about disaster recovery centers on the FEMA website. Disaster Recovery Centers fact sheet. Links are in the description. VA home loans and natural disasters. If you have a VA home loan and your property was impacted by a natural disaster, refer to the VA's Home Loan Guarantee Policy. Link below. VA healthcare support. If you've been affected by a disaster, contact your local VA hospital and speak with the patient advocate team. The VA may provide emergency pharmacy services and coordinate care through mobile clinics, home health teams, and community care providers to ensure veterans receive prescriptions and medical equipment. In emergencies, the VA can authorize refills at your local pharmacy and may set up public contact teams at shelters or disaster recovery centers to assist veterans. Emergency care. If you require immediate care, go to the nearest emergency room. Programs are in place to cover emergency room costs for VA-enrolled veterans. For details, check our video about emergency room visits in the description. Support for caregivers. Caregivers are also supported through the VA. Call the Caregiver Support Line at 1-855-260-3274. For disaster preparedness, download the Prepared Military Caregivers Disaster Relief Toolkit. Again, see description. Benefits and compensation. The VA National Call Center may provide a one-time emergency payment if your regular benefit payment is delayed due to a disaster. Call 1-800-827-1000 for assistance. Mortgage relief. The VA encourages mortgage servicers to pause foreclosures for 90 days and waive late fees after disasters. Link below. GI Bill benefits. If your school temporarily closes due to a disaster, GI Bill payments may continue. For assistance, call 1-888-442-4551. Employee Adjustment Allowance, EAA. You may qualify for 2 additional months of payments through EAA. Contact your VA regional office and speak with a VR&E specialist. Specially Adapted Housing Program. This program may provide funding for home repairs after a disaster. Call 1-877-827-3702 for more information. Vehicle loss assistance. If your adaptable vehicle was lost due to a disaster, contact the VA for support. They may be able to help you even after insurance. Life insurance. The Office of Service Members Group. Life insurance, OSGLI, monitors disaster alerts. Coverage lapses may be paused, and grace periods extended during emergencies. For assistance, call 1-800-419-1473. Fraud alert. If you suspect fraud, contact the VA Office of Emergency Management at 833-388-7233. Thank you.